Manually grade quiz responses, question by question, to maintain consistency in assessments. This tutorial shows how to manually grade a quiz. To begin, from Quizzes, click the context menu of the quiz you want to grade, and select Grade. You are presented with 3 grading options separated by tabs: Grade by User, Grade by Attempts, and Grade by Questions. For this example, to maintain consistency in your grading, click Questions. When grading individual responses, you can remove user details from each question by setting blind marking. If View Graded Responses is selected, the questions that have already been graded by the system or another instructor display. For this example, select Blind Marking. Navigate to the question you want to evaluate and click it. Review each attempt and input a score. Then, to proceed to the next attempt, click Save and Continue. Continue this process of inputting grades for each attempt as required. When the final attempt is graded, click Save. You are returned to the Questions tab to continue this process. Manually grade quiz responses, question by question, to maintain consistency in assessments.